In this tutorial, I will be teaching you how to create an overlapping text effect with reflection in Canva, just with your smartphone. I mean, using your smartphone to carry out this. Therefore, let's go to the screen of my phone. This is the home page of the Canva. To actualize the tutorial we're having today, I mean overlapping text effect with reflection in Canva. Then you come here to look for YouTube thumbnail. This is it. I click on it. Now it's loading. Then you click on this blank page where we're having plus sign in it. Now it's loading. This is it. Then you click on T where we're having text under it. To have our text, then you click on add a heading. Then the next thing, you type in brand. I want brand, but I will need to type B first. Then the next thing, I'm going to change the font. I want the font to be Anton. Then I click on this search, Anton. Then I click on Anton. This is it. Then the next thing I'm going to do, you come to the font size here. Then you increase it. I want the font to be 310. Let me fix it for 310. Then I have it here. Then I click on the background. Let me change the background first to red. I change it to red. Then the B. Then I will need to change the color to, I will change the color to this. Then the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to come to the bottom editor panel here to look for effect. I click on effect. Then I click on shadow. I click on it again. Then the offset, I'm okay with it for 50. Then the direction, I fix this for 70. I'm okay for 70. Then the blur, I will fix it for 100. Then the transparency for 100 as well. I'm okay with it. The next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to duplicate this. I duplicate it. Then I bring it here. Then I will need to change this to, I click on edit to have it for R. Okay. Then the next thing, I click on this, I duplicate, I fix it here. Then I will need to click on edit to have it for A. Then the next thing, I click on this, I duplicate, I bring it here. Then I'll click on edit to change it to N. The next thing, I click on this, I duplicate, I bring it here. Then I will change the, I click on edit, I change it to D. Then the next thing, I'm going to change this color. I will change all the colors. Then I will need to change the color. From there, I'll change this to this color. Then this, I prefer this. Then I will need to change this to light dark green. Sorry, I'll change this to this color. Then this, I will need to change it to pink. Then this color, I will need to change it to white. Then this, I will change this to red. Now, the next thing, the background, I will need to change it back to black. I want it for black. Okay, this is it. Now, the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to click on this. Then I will need to bring it here to overlap it. As you all know that the topic is, overlapping the text effects. Then I have it here. Then the next thing, I'll bring this, I'll bring it here. Then I'll bring this here as well. Or let me use my nudge to do this, to arrange it accordingly. Let me use the nudge. I click on this. Let me bring it here a little bit. Then I click on this, I bring it here. Okay. Then I click on this, I bring it here. I want it to overlap. Okay. Then this, I bring this here as well. Then this D, I will bring it here. Now, I'm okay with it this way. Then the next thing, I will need to come to the download icon here to have it downloaded. Then I click on download. Then the next thing, I want it to be on PNG. Then at the same time, if you're on Pro Fashion for the Canva, you click on transparent background. But in this case, I'm using the free fashion. I will need to download it from here. Then I will need to go to any of my browser to have the background removed. I click on download. This is it. It is downloading. Let's wait till it finishes downloading. This is it. It has finished downloading. Then the next thing I'm going to do, I will need to go to any of my browser. Then I have my Chrome here. Then I click on the search bar where we're having search or type. Then you need to type in remove.bg, but I have it here already. Then I've used it previously. Then you click on remove.bg to have our background removed. Then you click on upload image to have it uploaded. Then you click on the design. I click on it. I click on done. Look at it. The background will be removed now. You can see it has removed the background. Then I click on download here to have it downloaded on my phone. It has finished downloading it. Then I will come here. I will come to this place. Then the next thing, I will come to the upload here. I click on upload at the bottom. Then I click on upload files. Then I click on this. I click on this. I click on brand. This is it. Now, the next thing, I click on brand. Then I will now bring it here. I will make it to fit in the page. Okay, this is it. Then the next thing, I crop it here. I will need to crop it here as well. Then I'll bring it down. I use my nudge to be on the safer side. I'll use my nudge to bring it down here. Okay. The next thing, this is it. Then the next thing, I will come to the flip at the bottom here. I click on flip. Then I click on flip vertical. Then I will go back to the nudge. I click on nudge. This is it. Then I'm okay with it this way. The next thing I'm going to do, I will need to come to the element here. At the bottom, I click on element. Then I will need to type in gradient. You can see I've already typed it previously here. Then the next thing, I will need to click on the free one. Then you click on graphics. Then the next thing, I will click on this. I want the free one because I'm using the free fashion. Then I click on this. I click on this. I bring it down here. I will need to increase it. Okay. Then I have it here. Then I duplicate it. Then I come to the bottom here. I click on flip. Flip vertical. Then I will bring it here. I'll bring it here. Then the next thing, I'll come to the transparency. Then the transparency, I will need to reduce it to 60. Or let me fix it for 55. Okay. I'm okay with it. This is how to go about this very particular design. If you have found this video very useful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give it a thumbs up. Comment at the comment section of the video. Share the video with your family and friends. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.